Hey everyone, back with part 2 of our epic pen and ink extravaganza. Last time I introduced some of our hottest new pen and ink brands. Today we're taking it up a notch with even more must-have pens, inks, and accessories. Now we've got a lot of ground to cover, so let's get to it. First up, Platinum's Chou Kuro Black Ink. This isn't just any black ink, it's the blackest black ink in the fountain pen market. Super pigmented for a rich, flat, matte finish. There's no sheen or light reflection from any angle. Plus, it's permanent and water resistant once dry, so you can pair it with watercolors or water-based markers. Platinum's got other pigment inks in gorgeous colors like rose red, blue, and bronze sepia. Same deal, waterproof and fade resistant. Now, for those who are new to the world of fountain pens, or just want a reliable everyday writer, the Platinum Preppy is proof that a great pen doesn't have to cost a fortune. You get that smooth, classic Japanese nib, a translucent body that lets you monitor ink levels, and the option to use cartridges or bottled ink with a converter. As a bonus, it's eyedropper convertible for maximum ink capacity. And if you're ready for something a little more upscale, check out Platinum's Plaisir or Prefounte models. Still affordable, but perfect for those smart, casual moments when you want to make a statement. Both take cartridges or a converter for bottled ink, so you've got options. And don't sleep on Platinum's Pro-Use 171 mechanical pencils. Great for drafting, sketching, or just jotting down notes. Now for something completely different. This is Kuretake's Drop of Shimmer, and it's made to add a little magic to whatever you create. Just a few drops will make any water-based dye or pigment ink shimmer and shine. It comes in multiple colors that you can mix, and you can use it with glass pens, dip pens, and brushes. Perfect for mixed media. Looking for more ways to customize your inks? Kuretake offers a range of great options that let you mix and customize to your heart's content. Want to soften colors? Try Drop of Snow. Add a depth of darkness? Try Drop of Shadow. And for a lighter look without added opacity, try Drop of Thinner. There are so many great ways to customize your inks. Plus, they come with a pipette for precise drops and a spatula for mixing. Just a quick tip, they're not recommended for most fountain pens. Okay, color lovers, this one's for you. These are Kuretake's gorgeous Art Nouveau inks, and each one is like a love letter to the golden age of color lithography. Think Paris, circa 1895. Inspired by the iconic figures and landmarks of the Art Nouveau movement, every color tells a story. For example, Chrome Yellow, a radiant reddish yellow that embodies the essence of Art Nouveau. Its bottle pays homage to the iconic Parisian cabaret, Les Chat Noir. Whether you're using a fountain pen, a glass pen, or a brush pen, these water-based dye inks flow beautifully, bringing your creations to life. And if you love these, don't miss Kuretake's stunning Meiji no Iro inks. They're inspired by the same time period, but in a different part of the world, Japan. From Paris to Japan, let's head to Germany now, home of Faber-Castell. Founded way back in 1761, they're all about blending timeless elegance and innovative design, and their Ambition line is the perfect example. These pens are a masterclass in quiet luxury, combining a slim profile with warm, natural materials and an elegant design. Available as a rollerball, ballpoint, and fountain pen, they feature chrome-plated accents on the end cap, tip, and spring-loaded clip. A matching chrome-plated cap snaps on and off with a satisfying click. And of course, the heart of any fountain pen is the nib. This one's made with high-quality stainless steel, and it's available in a range of widths, including extra fine, fine, medium, and broad. Equipped with a cartridge converter system, you can use either pre-filled cartridges or your favorite bottled ink with the included converter. It comes with both. Plus, all Ambition models come ready to gift in a beautiful gift box. For an option that's equal parts function and form, check out the Faber-Castell Hexo, available in ballpoint, rollerball, and fountain pen options. With sleek, hexagonal barrels that feel as good as they look, they also come in their own gift box, perfect for the holidays. On the topic of gifts, I almost hesitate to call this next one a pen. This is the Caran Ecridor Venetian ballpoint, and it's more like a piece of handcrafted jewelry you can write with. Its hexagonal brass body features a mesmerizing hammered effect, and every detail speaks to its meticulous craftsmanship, from the precision engraving to the subtle laser-etched logo. But this pen is more than just good looks. It's also incredibly reliable, with a smooth push-button mechanism and a refill that'll last for ages. Now, if you prefer the flow of a fountain pen, the Ecridor Avenue is equally stunning. It's got a modern, textured design inspired by the cobblestones of Geneva and a cool, contemporary matte platinum finish. It features a steel nib in fine, medium, and broad options, and has a cartridge converter fill system, so you can use it with any standard ink cartridge or your favorite bottled ink. This one is vibrant green from the Caran Chromatics Ink line. A cool detail: these inks were designed to mimic the colors of the prism, available in 12 stunning colors. And check out that bottle, slanted, so it works as an inkwell. The Ecridor line has been an important part of the Caran brand since 1953. Today, it's available in a full range of pen styles, each with their own precision engraved pattern. We carry a range of ballpoint styles. These two, the Chevron and the Retro, are also available as fountain pens. Another beautiful Ecridor style is the Maille Milanese. Available in ballpoint and fountain pen options, the subtly textured micro-mesh design is inspired by 17th century Milanese goldsmiths. No matter which style appeals to you, every Ecridor comes in its own elegant gift case, like carrying a piece of art in your own pocket. But Caran artistry doesn't stop there. The 849 ballpoint is a Caran classic for a reason. These claim your style 849 ballpoint pens update that timeless design with unexpected iridescent colors. So, whether you're a fountain pen fanatic, a calligraphy enthusiast, or just someone who loves to put pen to paper, Blick's got you covered. You can find links to all of these amazing new products in the description. The full collection is available right now at dickblick.com. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Remember, if it's new and exciting in the world of art supplies, it's here at Blick.